Welcome back, guys. We got a new video for you guys today. I'm testing out my girl whether she knows how to lace the Jordan 1s in the loosey-goosey way. So there's a lot of ways you can lace these up, but we're just focusing on one. As we were giving some research on the names on them, they were actually pretty funny. We got the loosey-goosey,
Loop it and swoop it.
the loop it and swoop it, the tidy almighty. So what we thought it would be more funny is if we create our own, which will be the in and out. So we'll do two type of laces. One is the loosey goosey, which will focus on the orange pair. I'm gonna have the left, she'll have the right. And the in and out, we're gonna focus on this pair right here. So let's just jump right into it with the loosey goosey. Let's go.
One hour later.
Loosey goosey stands for like your shoe being loose, not too tight. So as I can see, her laces, it starts really tight from the bottom, but as it goes to the top, it gets a little loose, which I like it, but the bottom part is a little tight. Sorry. Alright, my shoe right here, like I said, starts from the bottom being loose all the way to the top. Oh, what she did was she put a tie, a knot at the top, which I put, I left the ends hanging, which is not a bad look to it. Alright guys, we're gonna give you an on look on how this shoe looks on feet. Since we're done with the loosey goosey, on to the next. This will be called the in and out. Like I said, there's lots of ways you can lace this. We're making our own, known as the in and out. So I'll have the left, she'll have the right. We're just creating our own type of lace system, and you just comment whether who looks is the best, the left or the right. Let's get to it. Bam! Guys, have it, the in and out lacing. So let's go ahead and describe what Liz did. Oh wow, this is actually not bad at all. I like what she did right here. I don't know if you can tell, but her lace system is very symmetrical one another. She got a lace over a lace over a lace. Looks real clean as the in and out. And what she did at the end was her laces went inside instead of outside. So very nice job, well done. I like that a lot. Alright, my turn. So I had a bad start thinking about what an in and out would look like. I skipped holes. This is very hard to tell, but not my best job doing the laces. But you'll check it out when she puts these on feet. Let's do that now. Alright guys, that'll conclude this video on testing my girlfriend whether she knows how to lace the loosey goosey, which she failed on that one, but I do give her a hand of applause on the in and out. She did an amazing job. Very nice. I like it a lot. So that'll conclude this video. If you like the content, go ahead and give us a like. Like I said, this is a project, but if you like our work, my work, might as well just keep on recording. So that's it. And we're out.